This stretching routine will wake up your muscles and help you burn fat.
Let's go.
Hey, this is Coach Chris Wilson here in the Criticalbench compound with my friend Michelle Di Capua, who is one of our favorite guests here at the compound and somebody that's going to be demonstrating how to do this really helpful stretching routine that's going to wake up your muscles. It's going to help you feel good. It's going to help you get your metabolism going. It's going to help you burn fat if you're consistent. If you do this routine on a regular basis, you will move better, you will feel better, and it's a great way to truly wake up your muscles early in the day. You can do this any time of the day though. So what we're gonna do first though is break down what these 3 moves are because I want you to do them right. So I'm gonna coach Michelle through the 3 exercises, make sure that you're doing them right, and then you can follow her through the 3-minute stretching routine. Okay, to start this stretching routine, Michelle is gonna begin with a windmill. So she's in a standing position with her feet out pretty wide. And what she's gonna do is she's gonna alternate reaching for the opposite foot. She's gonna come up tall in between and then reach for the opposite foot. Tall in between. She's gonna get a little bit of knee bend in there as she twists her trunk. Her eyes can be on her foot that she's touching, or for added twist or added motion, yes, you can look at the up hand. So if you want a little bit more rotation through your spine, that'll intensify the movement, but the windmill is great. Now, if you wanted to, you could go a little faster tempo if you'd like, so that it's kind of one right into the next. But always try to come up in between each reach so that you're getting the benefit of kind of bending at the knee and extending the leg as you come up. Okay, and then for the second exercise, we're actually gonna be going down to the mat here. Michelle is gonna be, it's really a combo movement here. So she's gonna be doing a traditional child's pose, and then she's gonna go into a Cobra pose. So she's in child's pose right now, sitting in between her heels. Her knees are out a little bit wider so she can really sink down deep. This is great for your low back area, for your hips, for really opening up through the adductor inner thigh area. And then what she's gonna do is transition forward into a Cobra pose. So she has an extended leg now, her toes are down, she's looking upward, she's forcing her hips gently, not too hard, forcing her hips downward as she lifts her upper body, and then she's gonna sit back onto the heels. And so you're gonna just be alternating between child's pose, good, and forward again, into Cobra pose. Good, so you get that combination of movement there. Really great for the hips, because most of us have super tight hips, so that's a really nice one there. And then the third exercise that Michelle is gonna be doing, she's gonna be flipping onto her back. This is gonna really help to wake up the glutes and the hamstrings. So she's gonna go into a glute bridge, and then what she's gonna do is alternate which knee she hugs into her chest. So this is glute bridge with knee hug, good. And you can hug with one arm or you can hug with both arms if you need to, good. So we're getting a lot of stimulation through the butt area because you're constantly under tension, holding the bridge the whole time. And then you're pulling the knee in towards the upper body, great. So this is obviously engaging a lot of muscles here and giving you a very nice stretch. And really, again, it's waking things up. So this is a dynamic way of stretching the body. Hey, before Michelle actually shows you this 3-minute stretching routine, I wanted to let you know about something super important. We actually took these 3 exercises from our metabolic stretching program. So if you like stretching, if you like movements like this, but you want more of them, we have beginner level and advanced level follow along workouts. So the beginner level is 12 exercises, 3 of which you just saw, that are strung together, and we coach you through how to do them all, as well as a follow along video. And then there's an advanced routine that has different movements that are much more intense, more challenging. Again, coaching and follow along for that. And it's a longer workout. So if you want to stretch your way to a better body, feel better, move better, look better, the whole thing, check out the pinned comment below for the metabolic stretching routine. Again, this is one of our newer programs and it's fantastic, really helping a lot of people feel better. So Michelle, you ready to show them how to do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, here we go. Hey there, I hope you enjoyed that 3-minute routine. If you do that consistently, you will feel better. I do promise you that. Now, if you want more, like I said earlier, please go down to the pinned comment and check out the metabolic stretching routine. You can read a lot more about it. You truly can stretch your way lean as long as you're consistently doing it. These are very gentle movements, but the advanced version that's in there as well is, if you're looking for more, you'll find it there. So give this video a great big thumbs up. We really thank you for watching. Be sure to leave us some comments or questions, and don't forget, subscribe to the Criticalbench YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.